Hey guys, my name's Isaac and welcome back to another video. So today we are playing some more Bee Swarm Simulator, episode 62. And today we are going to be doing some more of Black Bear Y, and we will be getting a hive slot on this episode and hatching this diamond egg. And then we will be saving up for a new helmet. Yep, that's what we're going to be doing. Yeah, because the helmet... so this is 54. Oh, it's 54, not 56, but it's 774,000. Can't afford equipped, can't afford. And then we'll be getting the beekeeper's mask after that. Or, yeah, because we've got the beekeeper's boots, yeah, the beekeeper's hat. Wait, what about the Mondo belt bag? So that's 150 of both those plus 10 of those. Okay. So we will be going to here. Field booster is clover. And I need to be in clover. Because I need 4 million from the clover. Jump. Jump and jump and jump. So we will be going down to the clover field and doing hopefully 4 million. That would be amazing if we got all 4 million. Actually, I need to get this and then I need to kill the king beetle. But straight after that, we will be going down to there. So. Hello, king beetle. Okay. So I need to kill you, you're a level 7 and it's quite easy to take you down now since I have a level 6 and a level 5. That might be a level 6 now, but most of them are level 8. I don't think any of them are level 7. One might be a 5 but might still be a 6. And then one's a 6 and then all of them are 8. That are the other ones. Okay, die, dead, and boom. So, 10 gumdrops, 5 tickets, a blue extract, 5 moon charms, 3 raw jellies, and the 1 million honey. Okay, so we will now be working on this. 2 sets of ladybugs and 2 sets of rhino beetles. Die, and let's get started. So, sprinkler right here, and then a sprinkler right here. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys. So actually no, I'm getting honey quite quickly, so hopefully next time I empty my backpack I might have mainly enough. Actually, because I'm emptying my backpack while I'm doing this part, I hopefully will have enough. Link token and that. Then come over here. Oh nope, I want Tabby Love. That and now I'm over here. Now I'm over here. Oh, we've only nearly done 1 million honey from the clover field already. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so guys, I am now doing videos now. Hopefully daily, maybe 2 daily. Because not that many views on my latest videos. One has 0 views, another has 0 views, one has 1 view, and then one of them has 5 views. So watch more vids. I'm posting now. Finally. Okay, we're 3 million honey away from emptying our backpacks. No, we're 2 million honey away. And we're about to fill up and finally get a hive slot. Oh, my ninja bee's sleeping. No. Okay, so I'm getting up to 53 million. Oh, and then it's 54 million and 776,000 or something. Yeah, so I'm not gonna get it in this run, but hopefully in the next one. I might get up to 4 million though, 54 million. Nope, not quite. No, I'm going back to get that honey token because that's like an 8,000 and that will go a bit higher. Okay. I'll go and summon a honey storm just because I can. Ticket, yes. Okay, we're nearly at 54 million. Nearly. Very close. Oh, it's already been 5 minutes, okay. All gumdrops and strawberries. That. And we're at 54 million. So when I get near 770 something, then I will go and empty my backpack. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna empty my backpack very soon. Very soon. Oh, I need this. I've got 59 tabby loves. And this is when I'm now about to empty my backpack. Oh, I've already got 800 in my thing. I just want to get the star. Okay, now we are going back. Oh, we've got 3 million. And in 6 minutes, I think we can get another million. So then we'll have the Cloverfield part completed, which is good. I like to see some green completed. Wait, I need to do my backpack first. Whew, okay. What one do you think we are going to get? We are going to hopefully get a good legendary. What legendary do we really want? Maybe a demon or a lion? Or maybe a diamond, because I do love that conversion rate. But probably a demon or a lion. Demon or a lion, please. Boom! We have our hive slot now. And we are going to parachute down from the top. And then we're going to do a diamond egg. And if we don't really want the one, like maybe if it's a baby bee, we will use 16 royal jellies and hopefully get a star thing. A gifted bee. A starry bee. Okay. Look, our name is higher up on the board. So 3, 2, 1, boom! Music bee, that is good. I forgot about music bee. Music bee's kind of nice. And now we need to level it up. Music bee likes blueberries, and no one else I really want with blueberries. So, it's good. Okay, level 5. Wait, so who do we... Oh yeah, because we got the diamond bee last episode. Oh. Times 1, none. Or 2 rascal bees. I kind of want to keep the exhausted bees since they are epic. I might have to get rid of it because they're on 2s now, on 3, 2, 2. Yeah. This sucks. What one's higher? So that one's 53,000. And that's 77,000. Probably want this one. Sorry guys, but 3, 2, 1. I got rid of a giftedness. Go away, rascal bee. Come on, please. At least a legendary that is demon or lion. Gifted frosty bee! Oh, I have it. Oh. It's an epic though. Gifted frosty bee. I'll have that. It looks like a gifted red bee, but it looks funny because it was yellow instead of white. Okay. So, now instead of having 2 exhausted and 2 rascals, I have 2 exhausteds and 2 frosties. Which is kind of annoying. I don't really want double ups. How much do I have? 342 for the ticket place. Microcontrollers field does. Oh, yes, okay. I've got 2 minutes to hopefully get a million honey. Do you think we can get a million honey in 2 minutes? Let's try. Now we only need 900,000, so every bit helps. Okay, come on. You can do this. Oh, there's a lot of sheep tokens spawning now. go to this one. Oh, yes, we're now really close. "54 seconds. 53. Oh, come on, okay. Oh, wait, no, we're done. We are done. But I'll just get some more just cause red and blue will be helping. Oh, and I've got that, and that, which are all good ones. Yeah, so now I'm going to... Cactus and spider are both mountaintop boosts kind of things, so I won't be able to do spider or cactus today. I could try red or blue, but I kind of want red and blue to be with cactus and spider. I can't do spider with it, so just cactus. And then after that, I will just do it with random red and blue generators. Okay, so the boost is worn off. I might as well just finish up my backpack. I'll do it from this sunflower field since I need pollen from sunflower field for science beer. Oh, there is a leaf here. But what did the leaf give me? Nothing. The leaf gave me absolutely nothing. Okay. Come on, just need to get some. Yes, this is all good. So this is now up to there, that's way better. Super close to finishing. And done. And of course, pollen container full, pollen container full. Summon a special sprout, and it's a rare one. This is 217. Cloverfield badge is so close. Oh wait, I thought it was 24,800,000. It's 23,800,000. But that's still really close, and it's going to give me 3 more tickets, and I'll go from hotshot to ace, which is good. Oh, rose badge done. And pine tree is quite close. Stump badge hotshot is at 9 million. Wow. Yeah, and that's just that, and that's obviously shop. Okay. I'm going to finish off the episode with a giant ant battle. Actually, firstly, I'll go and get the honey dispenser, then the treat dispenser, then the ant pass dispenser. So I'll get the dispensers, and then I'll do the ant challenge battle. Okay. Hello, treat dispenser, gimme. free ant pass. That's good, always. So how many ant passes do I have? 5 out of 10, now 4 out of 10. Okay, so sprinkler will go here. I don't want to die straight away. I'm about to die already. Okay, just don't die. Oh, I don't really want... Okay. So army ants, get away from me. And these ants just go in a straight line, but they are coming close to me. This one's been here for 3 rounds without doing anything, so you're going to die now. 88 pineapples. 88 pineapples, 33 strawberries, 10 sunflower seeds, 1 blueberry, and 139 treats. Always good to have some treats. Strawberries are really good, and I have 33 of those and 88 pineapples, saving my pineapples. Oh, you should probably die and kill these ones first, because these ones leave trails, but that's leaving now. Okay, get the blue zappy beam, which will generate both blue and red. Oh, round 7. Round 8 is a battle of the lawnmowers. And 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Those 2 both. Oh, and I'm already on to round 9. Whew. I literally did round 8 in like 2 seconds. Oh, round 10's good though. Round 10. I'm full health. There's quite a lot of ants dying right now. This is good. Okay, this is good. Score 49. Ooh, don't want to die though. 2 stars at the same time. No! Okay, I didn't get this gold, and I also didn't get my second giant ant. Yeah, so from 11 and 13 to 10, 10 and 73 to 57, no. Obviously gonna keep. So now it's 12 out of 20. So we are going to finish off the episode with leveling up my shy bee more. So this shy bee right here, I love you. You are amazing, and you're at 184 out of 270. I've got 2 raw jellies random. Oh, but I just did that, and I'm not gonna. Okay, so we are going to end it over here for no reason at all. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that like button as hard as you can. And as usual, I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.